Tired of diets that don't work? Welcome to your complete guide to starting the keto diet in 2026. We'll show you how to safely transform your body into a fat-burning machine. The ketogenic diet has transformed the lives of millions, boosting energy and health. Let's start with why this is the right time to begin. Are you tired of diet after diet with no lasting results? Keto offers a completely new way to approach weight loss by shifting your body to burn fat for fuel, without starving yourself. In 2026, new research and updated guidelines have made keto easier and safer than ever, emphasizing smarter fueling over extreme restriction. So what exactly is the ketogenic diet? Let's break down the fundamentals. Keto is a low-carb, moderate protein, and high-fat eating style. The goal is to fundamentally change what your body uses for energy. This eating style pushes your body into ketosis, where it switches from burning glucose to burning fat, producing ketones, your new efficient fuel source. Thanks to recent studies, we now have a much better and safer approach to keto than previous years. Updated 2026 guidelines help you avoid common mistakes like nutrient deficiencies and electrolyte imbalances, ensuring a healthier transition. The focus today is on clean eating, whole food fats, and balanced macros. You're not just cutting carbs, you're fueling your body smarter with high-quality foods. Now let's talk about what you should stock up on and what you need to leave behind. Fill your plate with healthy fats like avocado and olive oil, quality proteins such as chicken and fish, and low-carb vegetables like spinach and broccoli. To maintain ketosis, strictly avoid sugary foods, high-carb grains like bread and pasta, and starchy vegetables like potatoes and corn. Ready to begin? Here is the simplest way to start the keto diet as a complete beginner. Start slow. Gradually reduce your carbs each day, don't cut them all at once. Increase healthy fats to feel satisfied, and keep your meals simple in the first week. Use a keto calculator to track your macros for your ideal carb, protein, and fat targets. Remember, the keto flu symptoms are temporary, stay hydrated, and add electrolytes to help ease the transition. Let's explore the incredible benefits you can expect and the mistakes you need to watch out for. The benefits are significant: rapid initial weight loss, reduced appetite and cravings, and notably better focus and mental clarity due to steady ketone energy. Avoid eating too much protein, which can kick you out of ketosis, and resist processed keto snacks. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods for the best results. Finally, let's look at how to make keto a sustainable lifestyle change. Long-term keto emphasizes flexibility, often called clean keto or lazy keto. Focus on the quality of food over obsessing about every number to make it sustainable. Keto is a lifestyle shift. Listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if you have any pre-existing conditions. Stay consistent, and you will achieve the health transformation you're looking for.